What? Dude, it's too early for all that. Is it pretty good?
Don't leave me. Be with me.
Well, good morning, guys, from Auburn, Maine. Today, we're gonna go explore a little bit, get some fresh air, take the RV out. We're gonna unplug and get on the road and go explore a little bit. Here we go. All right, guys, well, we're on the road. Before we get too far out of Auburn, I'm going to go look at the river there because it's a nice sunny day. Have decided to go a little bit farther north. That's what Jackson and I'll do, and we'll take you along for the journey. I think I got a tip on something really neat for later. Here's our first stop, guys. Remember this spot? Been here a couple times. When I first got to Portland, I was at the Androscoggin River, and after I decided what I was going to do with the brakes, I came to the Androscoggin River. It's a beautiful little place. We haven't seen the drone for a little bit. You guys want to see me pop that up and get some aerial shots? All right, let's see. I have stopped at a public boat launch. Great little place to spend a day because of these big open slots right here for trucks and trailers. Great for RVs to stop in and see the water. But do you want to see something pretty? You want to see something nice? Lake? Fishing? Yep. I want to drone it. I want to drone it right now. Well, guys, here we are at Vaughn Woods, or as the locals call this, Hobbit land here, just outside of the state capital, Augusta, Maine. And they've got 2 miles of trail through here. We're going to go see if we can find some beauty. Into the woods we go, guys. Woohoo! Is it woodsy enough for you? Ooh, spooky! Honestly, this place is the best I've seen out of Maine so far. This is gorgeous. Whoa. Is this not one of the prettiest places in the country? Whoa. Look at the water coming out of the wall. Last time I sweat this much, though, was probably Zhiyun National Park. I'm working it out here. I strongly recommend Vaughn Woods if you're in the Augusta, Maine area. Hobbit land, as they call it. It's beautiful here. These are huckleberries. First time I've seen any since being away from home. They are edible. Huckleberries are. All right, we're back. I had to change my shirt. I got back and that Coca-Cola shirt was dripping, soaking wet. Ooh, I'm so out of shape. Actually, we are also about 20 degrees above average for Augusta, Maine this time of year, so it is quite warm even to the locals comparatively to what it should be this time of year. That is all I really plan to do in the city. Remember, I am in the state capital of Maine, so we could have gone downtown, we could have gone to a Capitol building. This is what I decided to do instead and remember Augusta for, and I think that's actually pretty cool. So, also, I have not had a Coca-Cola for 3 days. I bought a case of Gatorade Fruit Punch, and just like I only drank one soda a day, I'm going to try to just drink one Gatorade a day. It's got sugar, it's got all the things I need, and it's not as bad as soda. So I'm going to try to convert over to this. Obviously, still drink 5 cups of water every day, too. But yeah, sorry, Coke. All right, got to head back to town, and I got to dump the tanks. We are full of... So this is the Lewiston Wastewater Treatment Center right here. Renee told me about this one. They don't have drinking water, but they do have a free dump station. If I can get up here close enough to it. It's actually a funny story. I don't need a dump for number 2. My pizza pan actually fell out of the cupboard and hit the sink faucet, turned on the water, kind of like trickling it, but turned it on and filled up my gray water tank. So we need to dump the tank today. Before we get parked for the day and I start editing, though, here along the water, how about 1796, the Night House, the oldest frame house at Goff's Corners, Lewiston Falls, and Auburn Village Corporation. So this area of Maine is really well known for shoe factories and shoe houses. Here's another one, the Downing Shoe Shop, built in 1790, moved from the Perkins Ridge Road in 1981. Really neat to climb up here with quite a view over the river. I guess at one time this river flooded so bad that it completely covered that bridge out there. And you can see all the old red buildings. And I guess those are all old shoe factories. That breeze feels really nice all of a sudden. Woo! Alright. So all is good, no worries, guys. This is my final destination to get some video editing done. I have heard that the tribe, Aja and Terry and Scott and all them, are supposed to be coming to Maine, I guess, soon or something. But I don't know if I'm gonna be here still through September. Anyway, guys, have a great day, night, and I'll see you in a couple days. Bye-bye.